Good morning. Welcome to day 4 of the 5-day morning yoga series. Let's begin in a comfortable seat, connecting with the breath. Drawing the breath in through the nose, out through the nose. Maybe use this time to set a positive intention for the day, the week, or month ahead. Perfect. Go ahead and draw the chin to the left shoulder. Begin lifting and lowering the chin, almost like you're nodding yes. Release to the right. Nice, gentle yes movements. Back to center. Take the left hand straight out and plant it on the mat. Rest here or draw the right ear to the right shoulder for a deeper stretch. Release. Shake that arm out. Do whatever feels good here. And when you're ready, come to the opposite side. Right hand to the mat. Rest here, or draw that left ear to the left shoulder. Continue to soften the shoulders here. Back to center. Begin rotating the head in a circular motion. Opposite direction. Release. Come to tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, dropping the belly for cow. Exhale, round through the spine for cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale for cow. Exhale for cat. Begin finding some organic movement, rolling the hips here. I want you to move like nobody's watching, like it's just you and your mat. Back to center. Take the hands to the top of the mat. Begin melting the chest down for puppy pose, stopping wherever you feel that stretch. So we just want to meet the stretch this morning, nothing more. On an inhale, round through the spine to baby cobra. Melting the chest down. Inhale, peel the chest off the mat for cobra. Slight bend in the elbows. Exhale, release. Inhale, cobra. Full exhale, release. Tuck the toes. Send the hips up for down dog. Walk it out here. Let the head be heavy. On your next inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, step to the top of the mat. Grounding through the top of the right foot. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, release to three-legged down dog. Exhale, left foot to the mat. Inhale, right foot. Exhale, step to the top of the mat. Grounding yourself here, be really strong. On an inhale, hands come up overhead. Exhale, three-legged down dog. Release that foot back to the mat. Feel free to keep a bend in the knees. On an exhale, take the right hand to your left calf for a twist, gazing towards the left. Exhale, release. Left hand to the right calf, gaze towards the right. Exhale, release. Step to the top of the mat for half lift. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Inhale to standing, hands overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.